You wanna get...
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video.
You wanna get copyrighted.
This time I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Obviously, you see me. I'm not in front of the regular black and red background. I'm actually gonna take y'all with me to my first chiropractor appointment. I'm gonna go ahead and get my neck cracked. I don't know who told me that this is a good idea, but I see it online, chiropractor and the acupuncture and all of that. I ain't really big on needles.
Can I get it?
So I'm gonna take y'all in here with me. Hopefully it worked.
They got worldwide.
Huh?
They got worldwide.
Hold, let me see the light. Hold up, wait. Look at you. Look at you.
Light is.
All right. Where is that?
Weed and flute.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Boom.
Oh God, this looks nasty.
Oh, it looks nasty. What? What? How you doing? Yes. Am I the only appointment for the day?
No.
Got a couple people. ID, like driver license, what, you know?
Yeah, I do have ID. You need it now?
Yes.
It's in the
All
car.
right.
Make a
Hold
card,
on.
the copies of
It's
it.
in the car.
No, I think. Hold up. I think the one I got is that's me. I promise. It's a little older, but
Okay. Older?
yeah, it's an older one.
Look, if anything, you can use my ID.
What? Yeah, this is you.
That's,
so,
yeah, that's definitely me.
Let me see. I want to see.
Oh, it expired 2017.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The old, I have a new one that I'm waiting for. The bill.
Okay, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
If you have the quality 480p, I'm like, what?
Yeah, we going back here now. Get my neck cracked. Is that me right here, 5? Doc's here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Here you go, bro. Oh, this is I have a YouTube channel. I'm just
YouTube channel?
yeah, vlogger. My first time with the chiropractor.
Okay.
First time.
Can you give me the file? I'm gonna have a YouTube too.
This is free advertising.
Okay, hi, how are you? I'm Dr. Prang. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, what is your problem today? And then any pain going down to your arm?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Let me check your whole body and then I'm gonna find out what's your problem. Okay? Later, this kind of the tight hip makes more tension in your back.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Okay. I'm gonna push your head. Any pain, just let me know. Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh. Problem. So first, your problem is your feet unbalanced. Left side flappy. The right hip has a stiff, then the right side.
You said the first one here?
Yeah, so take a seat right here for a second.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I feel it. Okay.
Is it too strong?
No, it's like a massaging type feel. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Okay. I'm gonna release your tension around your spine. Okay. If you have too much pain, please let me know. Okay. Oh, right there. Oh.
Hey, wait. Okay, we're going now. Okay.
Straight, all right. I'm gonna correct your neck, okay?
Say it again.
I'm gonna correct your neck.
Okay.
Ooh.
Sit up.
Sit up.
Yeah. Straight up. Your chin. Okay. Good. Good. Look straight. Look straight. Okay, come back. Okay, how do you feel? Feel lighter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Okay, we're gonna have a foot test.
Orthotics.
Orthotics. Okay.
Orthotics.
Ooh. Okay.
Alright, just tell me when to record. Right now?
1, 2, 3, go. Hello, hi everyone. I'm Dr. Park. Okay, this is today my patient. What? Okay, this is today my patient. What? What's the name? Carl. Carl. Yeah, Carl. Okay. So today he got a first chiropractic treatment. Okay, how was it? Okay, so if you want how to prescribe those. Oh my God.
It's not me, it's the camera.
Okay. Yeah, done. Okay, no problem.
How I end up in a commercial? He ain't telling me nothing about being in no commercial.
Don't talk about him because I really like presents.
Alright, y'all, I just came out of there. I just finished it now. Nobody around, I can be honest. No, that was really good. That was good though. Look, I got all this rotation. Look at that. All this rotation that I ain't have when I walked in there. Honestly, I didn't think it was gonna work, but it worked. It's about to get dark. So, this is my first vlog, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and
Like, subscribe.
yeah, all that. Finished putting the air in the tire. Man. Putting the air in the tire, I'm going to get some gas and take y'all in there with me. Something might happen, who knows. Alright, that's enough. Oh, I gotta get this back tire too. So yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about if anybody else been to like the chiropractor or I guess massage therapy, whatever kind of recovery you got, massage, acupuncture, put that down in the comment section. Let me know if it worked for you or not, if you're still doing it. And another thing is, how much is it? I think he said he suggested me come twice. He said in the next 2 weeks, once a week, and then 2 weeks after that, come in every other week, something like that. I don't know, but he said he wanted like $60 a visit or something like that. I'm like, man, it's worth it, but man, $60 a visit, that's gonna add up a little bit for me. So I don't know. I still gotta think about it. He said check on my insurance. Maybe they can get that copay down a little bit, so I don't gotta pay as much. But it's definitely, like I said, it's definitely worth it. Oh, man. While I'm doing this real quick, I was gonna say, man, how I end up in a commercial. He ain't telling me nothing about being in no commercial. He just is like, he asked the assistant to, I guess, start recording or whatever. And next thing I know, he asked me, he's like, yeah, so how was it? I'm like, it was great. Nah, I wasn't lying. It was good though, but I mean, he ain't even let me know that I was about to be a part of the advertising or whatever. But that caught me way off guard. Like, why is she videotaping me with the camera? But it was cool though. The doctor was cool. He like I said, man, my neck. If I went in there at like 70%, I'm at maybe like 80, 85 now. I mean, it's not all the way perfect yet, but it definitely helped. I'm gonna try and maybe get one more appointment. He told me to check on my insurance to see if they, you know, can help me out with that or whatever. But if they do, I'm definitely gonna do that. And if I had to suggest it for somebody else, I definitely would. Right now, this is, again, I done said this is the end of the video a couple times now, but this is actually the end. I'm at the Wawa putting some air in the tires. And so yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know if y'all like these type of videos. Get away from jiu-jitsu a little bit and start doing some everyday vlog type stuff. So that's it. I'll lie to y'all again. Get a better camera with some they can record in the low, what they call a low light. I won't get copyrighted. Here we go. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get some gas. Probably like $5, $6 though. For real. Where we at? 6. Go ahead. OG. People gonna be like, what are you doing? Why are you holding the camera? Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, the light way better in here. Look at this. Look at the light. Look at that. Let's just go ahead and get the gas. How you doing? You open?
Yep.
Can I get 10 on 6? Good?
Yep.
Thank you. I went with 10 instead of 5.
I didn't even see you walking.
You ain't see me?
No.
Well, I walked right in. I hope I got it on the right pump. Is that a 6?
Right in when I walked right out?
No, I looked right at you while you was in line.
Dang.
What?
So I had 2 funny stories just now.
She about to tell us a funny story. Go ahead.
It's over the next hour. So the guy's making my milkshake, right? You saw him in there, right?
No, I didn't pay attention to the guy. All right, go ahead. Tell me now. Go ahead. All right, tell me in the car. It's starting to get cold out here now. Yeah, something like a half a tank. Oh man, I hope I ain't wasting my time with this, man. All right, we're at 10. They're gonna copyright me too. That music, that Tim McGraw, whoever that is in the background. Country music. All right, we really done this time. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if y'all like these type of videos. And that's really the end of the video this time. All right.